Right, in my previous video I have covered ngFor structural directives, right? So today is the class for like extension of this ngFor, because if you if you working with this Angular, right? So we are working with latest version. So in the latest version we should be having some new features, which is like control flows at the rate for, which we are going to see today. So if anybody asks you like what is the difference between this ngFor or control flow, then we should know the like in version Angular 2017 onwards, this at the rate for is came to the picture, and which looks clean and more modern. So we need to utilize this in our solutions whenever you are working with this looping concept, right? So it has some different syntax which we need to be discussed here, like basic syntax for at the rate for. So if you see here, at the rate for items is the list which we are going to be retrieved, and then we have the track and dollar index, which is like an index for particular element which we have in the our array or the list. So you will be able to see once we will go for the demo. So if here items your array, and item is each element for your array. So we'll use the same solutions which we earlier used in my previous demo, right? So we can open the same demo, and there we can extend our code to be understand this at the rate for today. Okay, so I'm opening this VS Code. So I already opened this yesterday code which we have done, right? So here if you see, right, we already done this yesterday, like ngFor. So we have here one array, fruits array, and second is the object which is having list of the elements, right? So in HTML we are showing this as a unordered list, right? So today what we can do, we can have a different syntax with at the rate for. So what we can do, we can utilize the same array which we have, fruits array, but we can have the different unordered list which we need to be write through the like our ng not ngFor, we need to be utilized for this at the rate for. So I'm copying this code to explain you in the VS Code. So what I can do, I can paste it here, and if you see here, right, so we have right at the rate for fruits is like a variable which we have taken as a string, and then this is the one which we are retrieving from our TypeScript, right? And this dollar index is nothing but an index of your particular element which we are getting. So earlier if you see here, I dot one we are getting here, right? So here we are writing dollar index plus one, so we will get the index of particular fruit which we have in the array. So if you run this, you will be able to see the output. Just I can run it, and for running this we have the ng serve command to run this application. So it will build our solution, and then it will check all the dependencies packages, and then it is going to be launch the particular host URL which we are going to be like copy from here and then opening into the browser. So it's giving us the local host URL we have copied here, and we will paste it here and then click on enter. So once you will click on enter, you will be able to see the unordered list which we are expecting to get that. If you see here, right, 1, 2, 3, 4 is the index which we have uh, printing here, and apple, banana, mango and orange is the items which we have inside our array. So it is just like a modern at the rate for. So nowadays actually we are working with modern things, right? So we have to utilize at the rate for. So before 17 people are using ngFor, but after the 17 version people are using this at the rate for. So if anybody asks when it's got launched, so you can say like 17 onwards it's got launched. Okay. So next things is like we can retrieve this, we can apply this on a particular object also. So if you see here, right, you can apply this same things for object also. So if you copy and paste it this code, you will be able to see the your student object having student this id is I need to see inside our ts. So we do not have the id, then we can have student dot age you can take it. Okay. So if you run this, right, you will be able to see this Vishwa, this it's coming from our. So if you see here, right, we have this student which is we are retrieving from here and looping one by one inside our unordered list. Okay. So I hope you understand the difference between at the rate for and ngFor. So we'll see in the next video. We'll see like how to work with the switch, because we need to check multiple conditions. Whenever we require multiple conditions check, then we are going to use the switch. Ng switch is there and at the rate switch also there. So we'll cover this in the next videos. And please, if you did not watch my previous videos which is I explain ngFor, please do follow and then understand the whole concept of this, and get the correct answer at the time of interview. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this, and we'll meet in my next video. If you like my video, please subscribe and like the channel. Thank you very much. Many thanks.